So, couple of new wall hanging piece. First is the caterpillar. Nice piece. Holes there. And of course, after metamorphosis, the caterpillar becomes this butterfly. I'm super happy about the color combination. It somehow it works very well. Bronze in the middle and then green and white on there. And then one from the seahorse. White teeth are there visible. Then I put the green and violet also here. It's very hard to show from the surface because of the camera, but there is a lot of this nice swirling of colors visible. I don't know if it's visible, but thanks.